Hi everyone, hope you're doing really well. In this video, I'm going to give you a rundown on one of the newest features of the DEE2 web tool, and that is the request feature. So you can select it from this menu at the top of the website, or you can go down to this data on demand request service and click here. So what this will do is allow users to nominate an SRA project identifier and select the corresponding organism, and then that one is going to get run on our hardware at Deakin and Burnett, and then once it's processed it will be updated to the server and the users will get a notification by email. I've got some more information here about the service. So all new users are allowed 5 free datasets per year, and you can get in contact if you want additional ones. And what I will do is start you off from the NCBI Geo website, and if you've read maybe an interesting publication and there's a Geo series number, you can plug that into the Geo search bar and you'll get hopefully just the one hit for that study. And this, or you can just scroll through Geo and just find things that are of interest to you. In this case, I'm going to do this study here on THP1 and RPMI cells. That's Homo sapiens. And if you click on this, what we're trying to find is the SRA project identifier. And because this is Geo, which is a different section of NCBI, you won't find it. We have to kind of traverse through the database a little bit. I'll show you how to do that. First, we want to select one of these samples here, starting with GSM. And that will give us the information about this particular sample and a link to the SRA experiment. So I'll click on that and we will be able to get the SRA project number here. So I'll select that one, and what we'll do is we'll go over to the search query, the request tool, paste in that number and then the corresponding organism, and then we will put in our email address. And what we've got is some information about the request. So PySRADB has checked that this SRA project number matches the organism that we specified. It gives us a list of the runs. Everything was checked okay, and an email was sent, as you could hear from the notifications going off. So from here we can go back to our email, check our email, and indeed that's what it's done is it's now asking for confirmation just to make sure that this request originated from the person with that email address. And then we can click on this, and once we do that, it will kick off that analysis. And yeah, as you can see, it's been used a few times before. And once that analysis is completed, there'll be another notification by email that it's ready for download. What I'll show you as well is here at the bottom we've got some of the recent studies that have been analyzed and requested, so you can see what the DEE2 community is requesting. This is just the latest 5, but if you wanted to see all of the past ones, you can click down here and load this table so you can have a look. Maybe there's something of interest to you. You'll go back, and if you want to download those data sets, they are available. So you can click on these zip files. I'll click on one of the more recent ones, we can get that one and open it up, and we can see the contents. For example, the gene count matrix. I'll open that up with a spreadsheet, and you can see that it's all there for us. Yeah, the transcriptome count matrix as well. So we've got our runs across the top and our transcripts down the side. Fantastic. That's all I wanted to show you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.